So if your Apple Watch 11 came in contact with water, don't panic. You can eject that using a simple built-in feature. So here is how to remove water from inside of your Apple Watch the right way. So first, we'll recommend you to just go ahead and wipe clean the screen surface if it's wet. Now to remove the internal water, you need to press on the power button and open Control Center. Scroll down and just look for a water droplet icon like this. If it's not here, scroll till the end, hit the edit button, tap on this plus sign, find the eject water option, tap, and then add it to your control panel. That's it. And then just tap on the water droplet to first water lock your Apple Watch. Now next time you can use this before going into the water. But for now, to remove the internal water, press and hold over the crown. That's it. You'll see a visual water eject prompt on your watch screen. And if you look at your speaker section on your watch, you might see water coming out of there. If you want, you can do this process a few times to remove all the water from your Apple Watch. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.